Want to build a workforce and financial performance dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building: a comprehensive dashboard with workforce trends, financial metrics, and performance insights. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We'll start by importing our data file. The upload is complete in seconds. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch Bricks AI analyze our workforce and financial data. The AI is identifying key metrics, building visualizations for headcount trends, revenue analysis, and departmental performance. It's creating charts for new hires, turnover rates, profit margins, and employee distribution across locations. Our workforce and financial performance dashboard is now complete with 6 dynamic charts and 2 data tables covering everything from company growth to manager distribution. Let's customize the theme to match our brand. Perfect. Now let's enter presentation mode to showcase our insights. In presentation mode, we get a clean, distraction-free view perfect for executive meetings and stakeholder presentations. The full-screen display highlights our key workforce metrics and financial performance indicators beautifully. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through all our interactive widgets, modify any chart, or add new visualizations as our data evolves. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.